Hello and welcome back to Toni the Tech Sloth. I'm your host Toni. Today we're diving into the essentials of the Windows 11 desktop with a series of short videos introducing you to the Start menu. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon for more beginner-friendly tech tutorials. Part 1. An introduction to the Start menu. Let's dive in with an overview of the Start menu. The Start menu can be accessed by using the Windows key on your keyboard, or this icon on the taskbar just here. Go ahead, open up yours and have a look. At the very top we have the search bar, a powerful function which can let you search for apps, settings, and documents. Let's try out this search function by simply searching for the calculator. Type in calculator, and you are given a few options once it pops up. We can open it, pin it to the taskbar, or Start menu. For this example, let's just open the application, and there you have it. We have search and found the application, and we have launched it successfully. Let's close the calculator as we don't need it. The next section on your Start menu is the pinned section. These are your commonly used applications, and I will show you how to add and remove applications in due time. If you see more than one dot here, it indicates you have more than one menu available. As we hover over these dots, an arrow up or down appears, and you can move between pages by clicking on the arrow. Alternatively, you can use your mouse scroll wheel to move up or down the pages. Just here we have the All Apps button. This will take you to a menu displaying all installed applications, conveniently in alphabetical order. We can click the back button to return to the Start menu. The Recommended section. Here you'll find some of your recently used documents, photos, and videos, and you have the option to see more if you wish. Bottom left we have the User Account section. This is me. Here you have some options to change account settings, lock the computer, and sign out. Bottom right we have the Power option. We have the options Sign-in options, where you can change your sign-in preferences. Sleep. Put the computer into sleep mode. Shut down, giving the option to shut down the computer. Restart, where we can restart the computer. There you have it, an introduction to the Start menu. In the next part, we will add and remove applications to our Start menu by pinning and unpinning them. See you in part 2. If you enjoyed the content and found it useful, please like and subscribe. I'm your host Toni, and I look forward to seeing you again.